everybody!
Hello!
And welcome back to our YouTube channel. We are, as always, your hosts, Arne and Carlos, and today we are out on our terrace, which has a ceiling or a roof, so we're not getting wet because if you see outside, it is pretty wet. It's raining quite a lot. It's a typical Norwegian fall day. And if you look closely, you also see the mess in our garden. This is because we are renovating a studio. So we're going to be living with this mess for a long time. Luckily, it's on that side. We have a great garden on the other side that still looks really good. Anyway, we're here to talk to you about our geraniums and what we do with them.
Yes.
For how we store them in winter.
Yeah, because we had some comments on the video where people asked what do you do with the geraniums?
Yeah, because we post videos or we post on Instagram and Facebook, and sometimes in the middle of winter we can post a photograph and in the background you can see these gorgeous geraniums and people are like, wow, how do you do that? How do you get great, beautiful geraniums in the middle of winter?
So that's what we're going to show.
Yeah, we have a few secrets.
A lot of people, they carry these plants or pots down to the basement and they keep them there during the winter.
Yeah, they keep them in the dark without giving them much water to give them a period of rest and relaxation. And then after that period passes, they start watering them, usually around Easter. And then eventually they take them outside and then they start to live again. We don't do that. We do it completely different.
Yeah, we keep them in the garden the whole summer, and some of these are really strange now because it's been very warm and we've been traveling a lot.
Plus it's getting cold, so the leaves are turning brown as well.
Getting like autumn colors. So what we do, instead of carrying all these pots down to the basement, we take cuttings from the mother plant.
Yeah.
So instead of carrying all these down to the basement, we just make new plants. And that's how we get beautiful geraniums during winter. And a lot of people will say that you have to take those cuttings from a special place on the plant. But we take anything and everywhere. And you just put them in the soil. And then you have to keep them moist. So you have to give them water like every day just to keep them moist. So you can, until you see that they're growing.
Here you go.
Then you can give them less water. And it's also good to make more than one from each plant because sometimes some of them can die. That's like normal.
Yeah. But
Look,
then the
with
good
the flower, just take the flower off.
Yeah. And the good thing if you have more than one is that probability that one is going to survive is very high. We usually don't have that many that die from us.
No. So that's why we have a lot of geraniums.
Yeah. So put them in these little pots, water them weekly. There's quite a few advantages with doing it this way. One of the biggest advantages when you don't have a cellar is that, you know, it doesn't take much space. So you can keep quite a lot of them on your windowsill.
Or you make like a bookshelf in the window.
Or a bookshelf or something. So that works very well. Yep.
Toilet, everywhere.
Just remember that when they are new plants like this, you do need to water them weekly or at least every other week. Make sure that they're healthy. Give them a little fertilizer now and again.
Already like around Christmas, this will start to be a nice plant.
Yeah.
And the fertilizer, because we do the bokashi, the Japanese composting thing, and you have the tea that you take out from the bokashi, you mix that with water, and it's really good for the plants. So that's why our geraniums look so beautiful.
So they start out very small and then they start growing and growing and growing. And actually, even in the middle of the winter, we get them to bloom sometimes, which is quite cool actually.
Look, one more with a flower.
A nice cutting there for another geranium.
I don't know how many we have of this one now, but
you can never have too many. Luckily, we have a greenhouse where we can put them all in. Remember, Arne, this is my favorite geranium. This one is a mother plant that we've actually been able to keep for a long time. The smell is just stunning. The name of this one is Queen Ingrid. Queen Ingrid of Denmark. It's called after her. And we really need to get a few of these because I love this one.
And this one doesn't look nice anymore.
No, but the smell, my God, the smell.
So we have to make something. We can make one from this one. And I keep the flower. If
Yeah.
we're lucky, it will bloom.
For a little while longer.
I think a lot of people might think it's strange that we keep the flowers on the seedling, on the seedlings,
The cutting.
the cuttings, but we do, and they can bloom from this. At least in our house.
Yes, and a little water. So here you go. We've shared another secret. Highly recommend doing this. Sometimes, as I said, Queen Ingrid here has been with us a very long time. This is the mother plant. The mother plant we do store in another place in the winter where she can rest and relax. And we keep bringing her out. We do that with a few of them, the most favorite ones. But if you look at this pink one here, this is actually a cutting that we had 2 years ago that has been with us now for, a cutting that we had last year that has been with us now for a whole year. So it's really cool.
And this one needs just a little bit of like a haircut, and then it can stay like this indoors because
Yeah.
there's more flowers coming.
Yeah.
But it's been a little bit too chilly in the night, I guess.
Yeah,
So
I guess so.
it's got autumn leaves. So that's
That's it.
what we do. So try it and you get nice geraniums.
Yeah, and let us know on the comments field next year how it went. So, if you like this video, remember to give it a couple of really big thumbs up, like this. And remember that we post videos every week. You can turn on your notifications, and then you'll be notified as soon as there's something new. Usually it's on Sundays. So we look forward to bringing you new cool videos and tutorials. Yeah, see you around next time.
See you. Bye.
Bye.